In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to link your BingX account to TradingView. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up tradingview.com like you usually would on your favorite browser. Then from here, you'll need to log into your account. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to go up to the products tab up here, click on it once, and then from here, it should look something like this. Here you can see an overview of all of the connected brokers that you can connect with TradingView. But from here, you'll simply need to scroll down until you see show all brokers down here. From here, you'll need to scroll up a bit again and then search for BingX like so. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can also add it to your favorites by clicking on this star up here. But to connect it, you simply need to click on it and click connect like so. From here, a new page will pop up where you can see that it will come back. And from here, you'll need to enter either your email or your phone number, and from here you can log in. You can also continue with your Google ID or Apple ID by clicking on one of these options down here. Once you have logged in successfully, you'll be directed back to TradingView where you'll see that BingX will be saying connected down here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!